Welcome to Short Moral Tales. Long ago in the ancient lands of China, a tale of epic proportions began to unfold. It was a time of warring states where different regions battled for supremacy. In the midst of this chaos, the seeds of what would become the Great Wall were sown. The story begins during the Warring States period, around the 5th century BC, when individual Chinese states, seeking to protect their territories and resources, started building walls and fortifications. These early walls were modest affairs, constructed of earth and wood, and were meant to defend against neighboring states rather than foreign invaders. But the true transformation of these scattered walls into something magnificent came with the rise of the Qin Dynasty. It was during the reign of Qin Shi Huang, the first emperor of China, that a grand vision took shape. Qin Shi Huang sought to unite the disparate states under one banner and protect his fledgling empire from the constant threat of northern nomadic tribes. With determination and force, Qin Shi Huang set out to connect and expand these early walls, creating a unified system of fortifications. The early walls of earth and wood gave way to more substantial constructions, with rammed earth and stone replacing earlier materials. This was the birth of the Great Wall as we know it. Yet the construction of the wall was about more than just bricks and mortar. It was a symbol of unity and the emperor's power. It demonstrated the strength of the newly formed Chinese empire and the commitment of its people to defend their homeland. As centuries passed, dynasties rose and fell, each leaving its mark on the Great Wall. The Han Dynasty extended and fortified it, using it to protect the Silk Road trade routes. But it was during the Ming Dynasty that the Great Wall reached its zenith. This was the era of the iconic stone and brick construction, the impressive watchtowers, and the complex network of fortifications that now grace the landscape. The Great Wall, stretching over 13,000 miles, became a marvel of human engineering. It served not only as a physical barrier against invasions, but also as a means of communication through smoke signals and beacon fires, allowing rapid transmission of messages across the vast expanse. But as time went on, the world changed. The Ming Dynasty fell in 1644, and the nature of warfare evolved. The strategic importance of the Great Wall diminished. Sections fell into disrepair, and many were repurposed as a source of building materials. Today, the Great Wall of China stands as a testament to human ingenuity, resilience, and the enduring spirit of a nation. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site, attracting visitors from around the globe who come to witness the historical legacy that spans millennia. The Great Wall of China holds several lessons and insights that can be applied to various aspects of life, including history, engineering, strategy, and culture. Here are 8 detailed lessons we can learn from the Great Wall of China. Number 1 is the value of long-term planning. The construction of the Great Wall spanned centuries and multiple dynasties. It showcases the ability of successive generations to commit to long-term projects and the vision to protect their nation's borders over the long haul. This lesson can be applied to modern endeavors, emphasizing the importance of thinking beyond immediate gains and considering the needs of future generations. Number 2 is adaptation and innovation. As dynasties changed, so did the technology and materials used in the construction of the wall. From earth and wood in the early stages to bricks and stone in later phases, the builders adapted to the available resources and improved construction techniques. This teaches us the value of adaptability and innovation when facing changing circumstances or challenges. Number 3 is strategic defense and deterrence. The primary purpose of the Great Wall was to deter invasions from northern nomadic tribes. It served as both a physical barrier and a psychological deterrent. This underscores the importance of strategic defense in military and geopolitical contexts, highlighting that sometimes the best offense is a strong defense. Number 4 is unity and symbolism. The Great Wall became a symbol of Chinese unity and strength. as it was often used by emperors to demonstrate their authority and the unification of the country. It reinforces the idea that symbols can hold great cultural and political significance and unify people around common ideals. Number 5 is cultural heritage and preservation. The Great Wall is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and its preservation is of global importance. It teaches us the importance of safeguarding cultural and historical landmarks for future generations. Preserving such heritage fosters a sense of identity and pride, and can also serve as a source of tourism and economic benefit. Number 6 is teamwork and collaboration. Building a structure as massive and enduring as the Great Wall required the collaboration of countless laborers, engineers, and administrators over the centuries. This underscores the value of teamwork, cooperation, and coordination in achieving monumental goals. Number 7 is the complexity of border security. The Great Wall is a testament to the challenges and complexities of border security. Even a massive fortification like the Great Wall could not completely prevent invasions, and it required constant vigilance and maintenance. It highlights the fact that border security is a multifaceted issue that involves not just physical barriers, but also intelligence, diplomacy, and military readiness. Number 8 is historical legacy and continuity. The Great Wall's longevity and historical significance demonstrate the importance of recognizing and preserving one's historical legacy. Understanding the lessons of the past and connecting with one's history can help shape a nation's identity and guide its future. In summary, the Great Wall's history is a reminder that even the mightiest structures and empires eventually yield to the passage of time. Yet their stories endure, offering lessons about unity, adaptability, and the importance of preserving one's cultural heritage for generations yet to come. Thanks for watching.